stuck. And he got it in. You notice the safety crew kind of hanging there waiting? As soon as they touch the boat, it becomes a DNF. Technically, still a clean run. I am kind of wondering why they're all waiting there. Normally they just start right away trying to push it back in. As soon as it's touched, it's a DNF. And it's a DNF. There have been times when people have gotten hung up in that exact same spot, and the navigator and the driver trying to rock the thing back in, but